If you fell into a black hole, what would you see? As you get closer, the stars around you start to distort, creating a cosmic mirage. This phenomenon, known as gravitational lensing, happens because black holes have such strong gravity that they can bend light. But what about the black hole itself? As you approach the event horizon, the point of no return, you'd see a pitch-black sphere surrounded by a halo of twisted light. And once you cross it, you're headed for the singularity, a point of infinite density at the black hole's center. But here's where it gets really wild. If you look back at the universe from this vantage point, especially if the black hole is spinning, you would start to see the entire lifespan of the universe flash before your eyes. All of the existence past, present, and future compressed into a minute or two. But this extraordinary journey comes with a catch. The light coming in would increase in intensity due to an effect called blue shifting. Infrared and radio waves, which are normally invisible to our eyes, would start to become visible. And the light that we normally see, it would shift into lethal gamma rays. If all the dangers that the black hole could throw at you didn't kill you by now, this would be our end.